Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing to you how to get an instant glowing face or body and also get removed in a suntan, dark spots, pimple spots and acne spots. So let's start how do I make it. At first I take sandalwood powder. Then I take rose water. So this is my ingredients and now I am showing to you how to make this face mask. Take 2 tablespoons of sandalwood powder. Friends, if you want to apply this face mask in a full body, then you can add 3 or 4 spoons of sandalwood powder. Now this time I add rose water. I will take 2 tablespoons of rose water. Now it mixed in. Now I take old brush and I will apply this face mask on my hand. You can use this full of skin, body or any type of kind of that you get skin in dry, black spots and also get suntan. Rose water helps to get our skin smooth and soften and also get a glowing face. And sandalwood powder gets your skin tightened, also gets remover of a suntan, blackheads and dark spots, also high pigmentations of your skins and pimple spots also remove. Use this face mask 3 or 4 times or much times that you want in a week and you get an excellent result that you want. Leave it 20 minutes. After 20 minutes later it dry, then wash with cold water. So friends, this is my video. If you like my video, so please subscribe to my channel.